Hey everyone, it's John here from RPO Bay Hockey to talk about a trade. The Detroit Red Wings have acquired Adam Erne from the Tampa Bay Lightning in exchange for a 2020 4th-round pick. So of course, if you're watching, whether you're a Lightning fan, Red Wings fan, or just a hockey fan in general, definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new, give the channel a chance, and drop a like. Every like does get this video out more on YouTube, but I'm going to get right into talking about this trade, and obviously the one player to talk about is Adam Erne. He's the only player part of this deal. It is a minor deal on the surface, but honestly, not really, because Adam Erne actually was impactful for the Lightning during the season last year, and I'm going to talk about it here. So, Adam Erne. So, like I said, the Detroit Red Wings acquire forward Adam Erne, and so that was the tweet. The Red Wings released about 2 p.m. Eastern. So, Adam Erne, drafted the second round, 33rd overall in the 2013 NHL entry draft by the Lightning. He's 24 years of age, shoots left on the left wing. Last year in 65 games, 7 goals, 13 assists for 20 points. So that's what I'm talking about, 20 points in 65 games. That's pretty good. And for a guy like Steve Yzerman, hired by the Red Wings, he knows this guy very well. He was with the Lightning organization for a long time, and he watched this guy grow. And obviously in 2017, 2018, only 23 games he played with the Syracuse Crunch the rest of the year. Only 4 points with the Lightning but then he played 65 games this past year and gets 20 points. So I think that says something. He's going to play at least on the 4th line for the Red Wings, maybe even the 3rd line. I think he's going to get that opportunity. But if you're looking at this in a Lightning perspective, this opens up more spots in their bottom 6, whether it's young guys like Mitchell Stevens or Taylor Radish or a vet like Corey Conacher. There's other opportunities now to get into that bottom 6. And maybe the Lightning even sign a couple PTOs or sign one of the depth guys that are still available in free agency. So that's something to look out for if you're a Lightning fan. And then back to the Red Wings. I just think the Red Wings are still retooling, rebuilding. Adam Erne just adds to that. And it opens up other options for maybe one of the veterans to be traded earlier on to get draft picks or prospects. And we've talked about it. Is Athanasiou going to get traded? Is Mantha going to get traded? They're on their last years of their deals. So I think obviously there's a different perspective for the Red Wings right now than the Lightning. And this is just a trade that I think the Red Wings organization should be happy about. Adam Erne will get an opportunity to repeat what he did last year or even better. So thank you for watching. Again, there's not a whole lot to talk about this trade, but I think Adam Erne is a good addition for the Red Wings, and then the 4th round pick also opening up spots for the Lightning's bottom 6. So if you are here, again, do subscribe, drop a like. This was John from RPO Bay Hockey. Have a good one. Peace out.